Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you how I made these art pieces using just a few things that were very inexpensive. So to make this project, you're going to need some painter's tape, primer, a paintbrush, a putty knife, and spackle. The first thing I did was paint my picture frame. I used some of the painter's tape and I covered my frame all around to protect the trim. And I did 2 layers of the primer. I did let it dry about 2 hours in between. After that was dry, I started using the spackle to create the art. And I have to be honest, I had no idea what I was doing. I simply started with strokes and I quickly noticed that wasn't enough. The repeated strokes just didn't really add dimension and interest to the art, and so I found that doing this particular thing, I don't even know how to describe, but just doing this really helped give the art some texture and some interest. I really like this way, and so I started doing more of this with some strokes. I don't know if that makes a lot of sense, but so I had 2 art pieces to make, and I knew I wanted to put them in this particular wall in my home, and I wanted them to look somewhat alike but not exactly the same. I just wanted them to look like they went together, and so this is the way they turned out. And that is all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.